Hi.
Thank you both for coming today.
You're welcome.
And I hope both of you received the agenda for
Yes,
today.
we did. Yes.
Laura will take the minutes today. And I would like to start with the first agenda item, which is the analysis of the short-term financial position. For our company, the current ratio is 2.998, which is calculated by the current assets divided by the current liabilities, which is 521,000 divided by 175,000. So our current ratio is almost 3, which means that we have enough current assets to pay for our liabilities. Nevertheless, a high current ratio can mean that we are not using our current assets efficiently, and this may be due to our high inventory on hand. I will now continue with our cash conversion cycle. Our cash conversion cycle is 47 days, which is calculated by the average age of inventory of 107 days, plus the average collection period of 46 days, minus the average payment period of 106 days. Our cash conversion cycle is good, but our average age of inventory is high, and our average payment period is also high, but that is in favor of us, because the more time we have to pay our accounts payable, the better it is for our company. I have the calculations right here, so if you want to take a look at it.
Yeah, thank you.
Now we will continue with the next point on the agenda, which is the strategy related to working capital management. For our company, we use the just-in-time system. This strategy could lead to improvements of the cash conversion cycle. To improve our cash conversion cycle, we should focus on the average age of inventory, because this is quite high. If we already reduce our inventory by half, it will improve our cash conversion cycle to -7, which you can also see in here. So if we implement the just-in-time system, we will not have inventory anymore, and this will result in an even better improvement of our cash conversion cycle.
That's great.
Even though with the just-in-time system there is no need for inventory, I would like to recommend that in the beginning we will still have inventory on hand, and I would like to know your opinion about this, and I would also like to know how many times a week we get materials delivered, how much materials we expect to order per delivery, and how much our safety stock should be in the beginning.
Well, if we take our average sales of the previous periods, our sales would be approximately around 2,500 units in 1 year. That means we need about 48 units of materials a week. And with the just-in-time system, we will order the materials each day, which means we have deliveries every day. And with the estimation, we have to order 7 units a day. And we have to take a look at our safety stock, because this will be reduced step by step. I will take a look at it this week, and I will come back on this in the next meeting, if that's okay for you.
Yeah, that's okay. Then I will put it on the agenda for the next meeting.
Okay, perfect.
I would further like to mention that the just-in-time system will also have an influence on our current ratio. The inventory will be minimum, so our current assets will decrease, which results in a decrease in the current ratio. However, it will still be higher than 1, because our current liabilities are not higher than our current assets. This means that the just-in-time system does not have a negative influence on our current ratio. This was the last agenda item for today, and I will now summarize the key points. Our short-term financial position is good, but we still can improve a lot, and our main focus will be on the average age of inventory, in the cash conversion cycle, and we will improve this by implementing the just-in-time system to our company. However, in the